Once upon a time ago, when I was 9 years old, I have a fear of emergency alert systems. I really get a point at them now in 2021. For the last year, we have a test of the emergency alert system. So it's just actually pretty awesome that it came on. It's just for the test. So there's no earthquakes or no tornadoes. So I watched some TV. So so I'm just not gonna watch any TV. So I just go into the emergency alert system. Then what I heard was some awesome beats. The first one was pretty scary, and the next one is called the attention tone, was to annoy me that there's an emergency. I was then, what the heck? Then the voice says, "This is just a test." I repeat, this is just a test. And now we will return our programming. Then after three short beeps, they're actually pretty nicer than the other ones. So I think the emergency alert system was awesome. And I like to give a salute to this thing because emergency alert systems were pretty protecting you from a tornado or earthquake or tsunami wave. So that's gonna be a story about today. Thanks for watching.